to my shop. Ooh. Boy, I thought it was just retired, you know. Well, I'm gonna go get these mounted up. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. Yeah, them jammed in here. Hopefully ain't gonna have you mount it up though. We are on one today, baby. Woo. The body kit is in. Yeah. Aggressive, cause man, the stock joint, it just wasn't cutting it, man. The stock joint was not cutting it. That just was just like, what the f was y'all thinking? You know what I'm saying? What the f was y'all thinking? What was you thinking? Go down to my people at Dreams Kustomz in Fayetteville. They finna get your boy right. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Woo. Big box. Big box. Yeah, got that body kit. Real serious. Ooh.
Every around me they gon' eat. Yeah. Get the puzzle and go and get that bag. Ain't nobody running around there handing out cash.
Slide in this box. I'm gonna pull out the box and get it laid out so y'all can see. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna pull everything out because I don't want to get it all misplaced and all out of place. So, yeah. I need to watch it. But all of this gone. Especially this got to go. You feel me? Whole new bumper tomorrow. Clear. You hear me? Yeah, up here at Dreams Kustomz, you know, getting that body kit put on that thing. Woo! Gonna be nasty. Got that M3 body kit, you know, front bumper, back bumper. I'm still waiting on my side skirts though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Ain't nobody running around there handing out cash. No. What I look like, sitting on the block, holding a can. Born, know it, like me like to ride for meaning I gotta get more dividends. Gonna spend it then, and the way that they give you more time, cause right now it's your time. That's the only way I choose to be. Cause this world is a deathly try to ruin me. That's the only way I choose to be. Cause this world.
We just gonna make flash, man. Keep making flash, you know what I'm saying? Beamer Life, foreigns, cars.